Next comes the letter C.
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 C is for car.
Car.
Let's draw another one starting with D. What about this? This is a duck.
Duck.
Quack, quack. How about this one? Cat starts with
C.
C. Who wants to ride in the back seat?
Meow.
It's the cat. Now let's see who's driving the car. That's Caleb. Caleb is driving the car. How fun! Next comes the letter D.
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 Let's draw some animals with names starting with D. What is this? This is a dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Let's This is a dog.
Dog.
Woof! Woof! Let's see who's been drawing all these pictures. That's Daisy. Daisy's been drawing all the pictures.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Next comes the letter E.
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 Let's play a guessing game. Does anyone know what this is? It looks like a wall to me, said one child. No, it is a rope, said another child. No, it has spears, said the third child. I think it's a snake, said the fourth child. No, I think it's a trunk, said the fifth child. No, I think it's a fan, said the sixth child. What do you think it is? When you put them together, it's an elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant starts with
E.
E. The elephant is looking for something. What does he find? It's an egg.
Egg.
Egg starts with
E.
E. No, Mr. Elephant, don't eat the egg. Oh, good, Mr. Elephant. Now, who's riding the elephant? Hey, that's Ethan. Ethan's riding the elephant. Riding the elephant is so much fun. Next letter is F.
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 F is for fish.
Fish.
Fish live in the water. Oh, look, somebody is coming. Who is it? That's Francesca. Francesca is swimming in the water. Hi, everybody. Who's following Francesca? Oh, it's a frog.
Frog.
Frog starts with
F.
F. Bye-bye, Mr. Frog. Wow, underwater is so beautiful.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
The next letter is G.
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 G is for gorilla.
Gorilla.
The gorilla is swinging in the jungle. Who is this tall animal? This is a giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe starts with
G.
G. And who is under the giraffe? It's a goat.
Goat.
Goat starts with
G.
G. The gorilla is going back to his home, and he has a friend following him. Who is that? That's George. George is swinging in the jungle. Swinging in the jungle is great. The next letter is H.
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 H is for house.
House.
Let's see who lives in this house. Who is that? That's a
Horse.
horse. Horse starts with
H.
H. Let's see who else lives in this house. Who's that? That's
Hippo.
a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus starts with
H.
H. Does anyone else live in this house? That's
Hummingbird.
a hummingbird. Hummingbird starts with
H.
H. Who else lives here? Who is this? That's Hannah. Hannah lives in this house. Oh, it's time to go to sleep. Good night, everybody.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Next is the letter I.
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 I is for island.
Island.
An island is land surrounded by water. My friends are making a sandcastle on the beach. Wait, what is this? It's an ice cream truck. Ice cream starts with I. Who wants honey ice cream? Growl, I do. Bear took the honey ice cream. Who would like strawberry ice cream? Oink, oink, I do. Pig took the strawberry ice cream. Who would like the rainbow ice cream? Isaac does. Isaac wants the rainbow ice cream. The next letter is J.
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 J is for jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
Jelly beans are falling into the jar.
Y, Z.
V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Let's see who's waiting for the car. It's a cat.
Cat.